Halo semuanya, apa kabar? Jumpa lagi bersama Angga, bersama putriku, princessku Zea. Hari ini aku mau makan chicken curry sama paratha with Indian tea, milk tea. Are you ready kak?
Ready.
Okay,
Let's
eat. Ternyata paratha, kakak. Oh, makasih sayang. Itu chicken curry. Okay. That's it, Kak? Ready? Let's eat. Okay. Bismillah. Enak. Mama, chicken curry udah. Enak Kak? Kakak suka? Like this, eat like this Kak. See? Take one piece of chicken, little bit gravy, piece of paratha, and after that, enak. This is our Indian paratha and Indian chicken curry. Paratha. See, chicken curry. What's it got? Soft.
Good.
Kakak suka ayam? Paratha.
Saya suka ayam paratha.
Saya sangat suka bot. Kakak. I know. My lovely girl. Love you sayang. Wow, it's good. Zaya is still eating. She's trying to eat more. She like it. Finally, we are done. It's really good. We enjoyed it. Right, Ka? Kaka Zaya went to sleep. So, see you again in the next video with another delicious Indonesian food. Thank you for watching. Terima kasih.